Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It's the 18th of February, 2022. We're doing a case break and number 4 of 2021 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel. We did a draft style break here. We just had a little fantasy draft. You each got to pick 2 Major League Baseball teams in this break. Let's look at those results. And again, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel. Tammy, Angels, D-backs, Joel with the Yankees and Royals, Tony, Red Sox, Rockies, Jalen with the Phillies and Guardians, Billy with the Mets and Twins off a trade, and the Brewers, M-Hole with the Mariners, A's, Jeffrey, Jays and Rays, OKs, Jason, Cubs and Marlins, Tony with the Dodgers, Rangers, Padres, Giants, Mark with the Cardinals and Tigers, Chris, Pirates, Orioles, Neil and his heavy flow, White Sox and Nationals, Justin traded 2 teams to get the Braves, and Justin with the Astros and Reds. All cards ship in this break. There is hitless credit if you don't get a hit for both of your teams. You will get $5 credit you can use on your next purchase. That would be if you go hitless on both. Man, it's been a long time since we've done this break. I kind of want to get another case of this. All right. Beautiful boxes. Let's get a deck of booklet. We're good at getting those. Got a 10 Hall of Famer booklet auto. I think one of the last times we did this. Or actually, a couple of the players I don't think were Hall of Famers. It might have had Dale Murphy on it. But most of them were in the Hall. All right. These beautiful boxes stacked up over here. And I need an elevator box. My guy Griffey on the front. Love that. I know you're a Triple Threads guy, Imho. As am I. Does anybody remember, and I don't even know where the video is. I feel like we had a few videos we don't have on YouTube from like way back when we started. We did a case of 18 Triple Threads, and we got the White Whale Ohtani rookie, the 101. I tried to find that for the Hits app. You guys download the Hits app, Sports Card Investor. You can watch all the biggest hits coming out from the biggest breakers. I was trying to find that for the Hits app, and I couldn't find it. It's somewhere on our in our video storage here, but I think it might have been part of a mixer because I can't find a case of 18. Got the rookie Ohtani 101. All right, 3 base cards if I remember correctly. Go through those pretty quick. Lindor, Pujols, Garrett Cole. And we've got triple patch autograph Deivi Garcia for the Yankees. New York and Joel on the board first. 50 of 99. Deivi Garcia. Jumbo. Oh, man, look at that jersey. 2 of 3. Prime jersey. Blue parallel. Chris Sale for the Red Sox. Boston. Boston's Tony. There you go. Tony at the 3 spot. Beautiful card there. We have a gold, or yellow, I should say, to 75 Christian Yelich. Brewers. Normally I don't top load the greens to 259, but when it's Mike Trout I do. There you go, Angels. Mike Trout. Parallel. I would really like this card to be autographed. I feel like it's going to be a patch, which is fine. Oh, this is so cool. 18 of 18 unanimous Mike Trout triple relic. Boom. There you go, Angels. Speaking of Trout, what's up with his beard right there? It's like he has a
gap.
It's kind of weird. I mean, my beard's not the greatest thing in the world, but Mike Trout.
Tammy.
MVP and AL Rookie of the Year, unanimous on both. That's kind of cool. How about this for a rookie auto? Braves off the trade. Christian Pache, 47/50, green. Nice one there.
Justin
and the Braves. So our top 3 picks.
Yeah.
Getting a hit plus the Braves, which would have been the 5th pick. Manny Machado to 299, Padres. Bryce Harper to 125. Go ahead and top load that for the Phillies. Harper to 125. Nice Trout relic, man. It is hard to get Mike Trout out of this. We've gotten a booklet recently, but man, it is tough. He's got some great stuff in triple threads, but they make it a little tough to find. Great IPA at Angel Stadium. There you go. We will be doing another Diamond Icons mixer, maybe in the next week or 2. I've bought a bunch of high-end stuff for it. I kind of want to just load it up like we did last time. Just have some really crazy stuff. Still working on that. All right, base cards. And we've got autograph triple relic. This is going to be for the Dodgers. Walker Buehler, Corey Seager, Max Muncy, purple to 27. Boom. We go LA. Dodgers, good value on them. Tony with the triple auto. The vacuum cleaner salesman, Tony. I'm an opera singer, Tony. There you go. And single jumbo relic. Kyle Tucker for the Astros. That's going to Justin. Besides Shoeless Joe Jackson, have we pulled any other bat barrels or knobs? We pulled a Thurman Munson 101 bat knob. I think it was out of triple threads last year. I think it sold for almost $2,000. Maybe wrong on that. We've got some other ones. We got a Frank Thomas bat knob 101 out of Flawless. We probably had a few. Bobby Dalbec for the Red Sox to 50. You go Boston, rookie card. Ty Cobb, a little baggy uniform there. Ernie Banks. My guy, oh man. Switch Success. This is a great card. One of the best switch hitters of all time. Chipper Jones. 4 of 27. What, Mickey Mantle and Chipper? Give me another switch hitter that was amazing. My guy, Chipper. Atlanta Braves again. There you go, Justin. Woo. Big card. This is why I love this product. All right, single jumbo relic. Kyle Tucker again. A little deja vu here. Houston Astros, Justin. Kyle Tucker jumbo jersey. I love Chipper. All right, to 125, Eloy for the White Sox. Christian Yelich to 150, Brewers. Oh, Tony with the jokes. He is a comedian. I told you. finally got to meet Chipper Jones after all these years, and I wore a Tampa Bay Rays hat.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
That was a bad idea.
He immediately wiped you from his memory.
Yeah, he's like that. I don't like that dude. He wasn't very talkative.
Well, no, you had on the wrong hat.
Like, I should have worn a braid.
He could see you coming. He's like, "No, guy's gonna come over here."
How did I know he was going to be there?
Yeah. How did we know anybody was going to be there?
I didn't know anybody was going to be there. That's Larry to me. He probably is. All right, 200 hits. Raffy Devers, 10 of 27. Red Sox. Love that card. Purple parallel.
Anthony, second hit from the Red
Sox.
Sox.
And we have an autograph. Oh, man, what a patch. Autograph Jumbo Relic, 3 of 10. Blue Jeff McNeil. That's going to go to the Mets. Here you go, New York. Billy, that is a great Mets patch.
On the trade.
Congrats there. Robin Yount to 259. Brewers. Purple, Barry Larkin, my guy, 299. Autograph. Oh, another triple auto? Seriously? Usually only one per case. Triple patch auto. Red Sox. That is Dustin Pedroia, Jason Varitek, Nomar Garciaparra. Boom. I don't see a lot of Nomar autos. I love me some Nomar.
Anthony.
Woo. Anthony with both triple autos. Dodgers and Red Sox. I mean, I'm not a mathematician, but that's like 6 autos. Right, George?
I think it's like at least that many.
Corey Seager. Corey Seager to 48. Dodgers. Speaking of Tony. Second hit.
He must be good at selling vacuum cleaners.
But we have an orange to 199. That is Alec Boehm, a rookie. Boom. Darryl Strawberry to 259. What's up with 2 triple autos? That's great. Now let's get a Deca booklet. Let's keep it going. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. How many likes do we have?
77. Sunstruck.
Oh, we're 23 short. Come on, guys. Hit that like button for us. Hit that thumbs up. Make it happen for us. We try real hard. All right, my guy, Mike Piazza, base card. And Alex Kirilov, triple patch autograph, Twins. Mets and Twins off that trade. There you go, Billy. 17 of 25. Jumbo jersey, Angels. Already got a Trout. Here's an Ohtani. 3 of 27. There you go, Tamara. Tamara. Tammy. T. Tamara. All right, purple, Nolan Ryan to 299. Rangers. My guy, Buster Posey to 125. Giants. 3 base cards. Hey, thanks, Mike. All right. Stardom. I thought it was stand arm on. Glaber Torres. Gluber. Yankees. Joel. More sleeves, guys. And we have a patch autograph. Rookie patch auto, to be exact. Andres Gimenez. Going to Cleveland. There you go, Guardians and Jalen. And my guy Ryan Sandberg, been getting a lot of his stuff lately. Got a 101 out of National Treasures last night. It's a gold to 99 Cubs. That's a Bellinger for the Dodgers to 199. Okay, John. Hey, thanks, Doc. We'll see you next week, man. Be safe. Congrats on all those Jets hits. Those will ship out on Tuesday.
Good night, sir. Later, Rock.
Wow, rock. All right, here we go. 3 base, I think. All right, we've got Mike Yastrzemski. That is how you make a patch card.
Holy
Look at
cow.
this. SFG for San Francisco Giants. There you go, Giants and Tony. Doing pretty good for a vacuum cleaner salesman.
That's right.
Door to door. Mike Yastrzemski, 2 of 3. Miles Mikolas autograph. That's a patch auto. Going to the Cardinals, St. Louis. That's going to be Mark. Mark on the board. 40 of 75 purple. St. Louis Cardinals. Some guy named Lou Gehrig. He was pretty good. Yankees. Lou Gehrig to 299. To 75, Big Mac. Mark McGuire for the A's. Big Mac yellow. Ooh, have a nice rookie here. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's a rookie auto. That is going to the Cardinals. 38 of 50, Dylan Carlson. Love his signature. St. Louis again. Mark heating up. That blue patches there. I like that. Dylan Carlson. Single jumbo relic. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. for the Blue Jays. There you go, Jeff. That is a purple Vladdy. Purple Vlad. That is number to 99, Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. And a green Eloy to 259. 4 boxes left, actually. This one's not open yet. 4 left. A lot of hits in this stuff. I can see why this stuff's so high.
That's great.
Tons of autos,
Really?
tons of patches.
Tons of fun.
Most of them are game used. They just use a lot of their stock of that stuff in this product. Need to find another case. I always say that on most products. Need to find another case. Alright, base cards, Frank Thomas. And we've got offensive spark, Ozzie Albies for the Braves. Triple relic. Got 2 jerseys and a bat, numbered to 18. I love this product, Tony. I agree.
Justin.
Hey, since Fanatics bought Topps and they're going to have an NFL license, I assume we'll see Triple Threats football later down the road. We're very partial to Panini football. Wouldn't mind seeing some Topps out there. Sonny Gray to 75 purple. There you go, Reds. As many football products as we can. We're starving for football right now. Sonny Gray, Cincinnati. Cincinnati Reds are going to be, it's pretty late.
There they are.
Find them?
Justin, yeah.
All right, Justin with the Reds. Last pick in the, or first pick of the second round. Anthony Rendon to 299. Altuve also going to Justin to 75 yellow. Interesting. What is this going to be? Boom time.
Whoa.
2 of 3. Bryce Harper patch autograph Phillies. There you go, Jalen. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Bryce Harper. Nice. Jalen drafting with his heart. Also apparently drafting with his head. Nice hit there, man. Love the color on that card. Blue parallel looks great.
Texas.
Yep. The great state of Texas. Look at that, Jalen. There you go. Woohoo. That's what I'm talking about. Congrats, buddy. Single jumbo relic, New York Mets. 1 of 18, Jeff McNeil again. He looks kind of weird right there. He looks kind of like a goober. Look at him.
Oh.
Huh? What do I do?
Billy.
Orange Altuve to 199. Astros. Juan Soto. I don't know that, yeah, Michael, we don't really win or lose. I don't really know that that's how I would word it. They just have the Phillies in this break. They bought the Phillies, so that is a good card, though. That's awesome. Yeah, that's right, Keaton. You know what that is.
Big.
One of the greatest movies ever.
Hey, son.
Fruit of George's Loins. All right, here we go. He is on the box, man. He needs to be in the box, too, is what you're saying, Emil. Joey Bart next up. Oh, 1 of 1. Boom. There you go, Giants. San Francisco. Tony is having a break. 1 of 1 RPA.
Goodness.
I'm gonna run out of magnetics here. Woo. Tony, if you want to upgrade your shipping to UPS, might want to do some insurance, send us an email. Our email address is right in front of you there, dynastybreaksllc@gmail.com. Try to send that tonight if you guys are going to want that. We'll get you a quote. We'll respond to you with the shipping quote, and you guys can let us know what you choose.
Been great.
1 of 1 Bart. Love that. Did it knock your Harper off the screenshot? You never know. Ah, it's a beautiful card, man. Congratulations. All right, patch card Clark Schmidt. Got the pinstripe there. There you go, Joel with the Yankees. Nice. It's a good case. Francisco Lindor to 125 Mets. 2 triple autos in this case. You're only supposed to get 1. Rafi Devers to 259. I can't contort my face like that, Joel. All right, here we go. We've got 2020 honors. Manny Machado, 13/27. Padres. Padres showing up. That is going to be Anthony, also known as Tony. Does Tony have any cards?
No. Still waiting.
Got a little robot there. If you could delete it for me, George.
Somebody got it.
All right, we have a redemption. Rookie autograph, Logan Gilbert. There are the Mariners, Seattle. Let me go M-hole. Seattle Mariners, Logan Gilbert. Redemption. We have a Willie Mays to 299 and a Ryan Mountcastle rookie. That's low numbered. Orioles to 50. You go Chris. Mountcastle to 50. All right, last 2 boxes. Get him. All right. Here we go. Good luck. 3 base cards. Ooh, what do we have here? What is this? Go ahead. Make my day. Aaron Judge, 23/36. There you go, Yankees. Triple jersey.
Joel.
New York. And we've got a Bobby Dalbec rookie patch auto, 42/99 for Boston. Bobby Dalbec. Boston Red Sox are going to be...
Anthony.
You go, Tony. My hands are just dry in general, man. Nah, they're dry out from washing them so much. When you're breaking this stuff, you just wash your hands a lot. It just dries them out, man. You guys need my hands to be dry for this. You don't want lotion on your cards. All right, Fernando Tatis to 199. Bo Bichette to 259. Oh, I know. Some of those redemptions take a while. All right, Daz Cameron, rookie patch auto. That is a triple patch card, 23/50. And it is going to the Detroit Tigers. Detroit.
Mark with the Cardinals Tigers.
All right, single jumbo relic. That is Lorenzo Cain, Carly's boyfriend. 27/27. Last one stamped. Brew Crew. Milwaukee's going to be Billy. Billy with the Brewers. Justin Verlander to 150, Astros. And numbered to 99, Manny Ramirez. Believe that's Boston. Don't really show his team logo too well there. Let's look. Red Sox. Yeah, and I think Guys, honestly, the card companies don't want redemptions either. But it's sometimes the players don't get the autographs back on time, and you can't hold up the product. You can't say, we just won't release it until they get it back. You can't do that. They would much rather not have to mess with redemptions and mail them to people and get the redemption code back, and people emailing them, where's my card? They don't want to deal with it either, but it's just sort of a necessity. You know, do you give Mike Trout a couple weeks and put a redemption in there for somebody, or do you just take Trout out of the product? You know, it's just kind of part of it. Yeah, we got 3 spots looking for their first hit. Probably have cards in the break, but don't have what's considered a hit. All right, let's get out the block. Bob Levitating, the creator of the block. You can request a replacement at some point, I think. All right. And what do we have here? Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. 1 of 3, Smoltz, Maddox, and Glavine. How did they ever lose a game having this pitching staff? Atlanta Braves, beautiful triple patch.
Justin
doing very well, man. 1 of 3, and that is the big 3 as far as I'm concerned. What a pitching staff back in the day. All right, we've got rookie patch auto. Actually, just patch auto. Marcus Stroman. That is going to the Mets. There you go, Billy. Billy doing well off the trade.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't always get a booklet, I don't think. Probably the 2 triples would be my guess. I don't think we always get a book. Or maybe we always get either a single book or a deca. I can't remember. 99, Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Mike Piazza, my guy, to 259, green for the Mets. And we've got Christian Javier, Houston Astros, triple patch auto, 17/75. That's Justin having a good break. 4 hits on both of his spots. Christian Javier. Single jumbo relic, Luis Robert. Robert, if you're in America. Robert. Luis Robert, 3 of 9. Gold for the White Sox. There you go, Neil at the buzzer. Gold Robert. Yeah, there might be. To 199, Chris Bryant. And Eloy to 299, White Sox. All right, we have 2 spots that went technically hitless, no patch card, no auto. We will put $5 credit in your account. You can use that on your next purchase, just kind of like a coupon. We appreciate you guys breaking with us, doing some triple threads. We have Monday's breaks listed on the website. We are doing more Star Wars on Monday. Elite Basketball, brand new product. Donruss Elite Basketball coming out. And got some Leaf Pro Set Power Football. Everybody in that break gets 7 autographs, guaranteed. Check out our lineup on DynastyBreaks.com. We'll be right back to say goodnight. And please give us a thumbs up before you leave. Let's get to 100.